Module 8, Lesson 4, Billing. Open Settings, then Billing. This page shows what plan the workspace is on, what the plan includes, and where the money side of the product is managed. The current plan card shows your tier and its limits, workspace members, monthly sends, and the feature gates that come with each level. Simple Marketing's free tier is genuinely free for one user, forever. The paid tiers unlock team seats and volume. You upgrade when the team or the list grows, not before. Choose a tier, and the upgrade button hands you to Stripe checkout. Card details live with Stripe, never in Simple Marketing. Complete checkout, and you land back in the workspace with the plan applied immediately. The subscription renews automatically, and the plan card always reflects the live Stripe state. Invoices live in the Stripe customer portal, one click from the billing page. Download PDFs for accounting, update the card, change billing email. Your finance team never needs a Simple Marketing login. Send them the portal link when they ask for receipts. One philosophy note: Simple Marketing doesn't slam doors at limits. If a send pushes past your tier's monthly volume, the send completes, and the overage reconciles on the next invoice. Operators are trusted in the moment. Billing settles afterward. Next lesson, webhooks. Pushing workspace events, sends, subscribers, consent changes into your other systems the moment they happen. See you there.